Hello, gardeners! Welcome to our new series on vegetables. Today, we're shining the spotlight on one of the most underrated yet amazing crops you can grow: radishes. They're perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Why? Let me tell you. Radishes are the sprinters of the vegetable world. Some varieties can go from seed to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. That's right, you can have fresh, crunchy radishes in under a month. They're low maintenance, which means less work for you, and they're resilient, so they can handle a bit of neglect. Plus, they fit perfectly into any garden, big or small. Now, let's talk about what makes radishes not just easy to grow, but also super useful. In the kitchen, they're a game changer. Their crisp texture and peppery flavor add a zing to salads, sandwiches, and even pickles. But that's not all. Radishes are excellent for filling gaps in your garden. Plant them between slower-growing crops, and you'll be maximizing your garden space efficiently. So, if you're looking to add a fast-growing, flavorful vegetable to your garden, radishes are a fantastic choice. Give them a try, and you'll see why they're a gardener's best friend. Stay tuned for more tips in our series, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy gardening!